Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the smartest purchasing decisions without spending hours lost in the depths of the internet. Today, we've got a robot vacuum showdown that's going to suck you in. On the left corner, we have the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. And on the right, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 plus self-emptying robot vacuum and mop. Let's see which one will clean up the competition. Alright, let's start with the most crucial aspect, suction power. The Shark boasts incredible suction and promises to pick up dirt and debris on all floor types. It even tackles the toughest messes. Reviewers praise its performance, especially with small debris and pet hair. Meanwhile, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus also claims to have powerful performance with a 4-stage cleaning system. It even has dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. Some users love its efficiency with pet fur, while others find it less effective. Next up, the self-emptying base. The Shark can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris. That's a whole month of not having to think about vacuuming. Reviewers love the convenience it offers. But wait, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus says, "Hold my dirt." It can empty its bin for up to 60 days. That's 2 whole months. While some users appreciate this feature, others have had issues with its functionality. Let's talk about navigation. The Shark uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision to map your home, avoiding obstacles like a ninja in the night. Reviewers find it efficient at navigating and mapping. On the flip side, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus creates an imprint smart map, so you can tell it to clean any room you want, whenever you want. However, some users have faced issues with its mapping accuracy. Now on to some special features. The Shark is perfect for homes with pets, thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration system. It captures pet hair, dust, dander, and allergens, which reviewers find very effective. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus has a trick up its sleeve too. It can vacuum and mop. Just swap the bin, and it's ready to tackle wet messes and leave your floors sparkling. Some users love this dual functionality, while others find the mopping less impressive. Both vacuums offer hands-free control. The Shark works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can boss it around with your voice. Reviewers find this feature very user-friendly, but the Roomba Combo i5 Plus takes it up a notch. It understands more voice commands and works with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. You can practically have a full-on conversation with it, although some users have had connectivity issues. Summarizing the online reviews, the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra is praised for its strong suction, effective pet hair cleaning, and precise navigation. Users appreciate its convenience and ease of use. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus has mixed reviews. While some users love its dual vacuuming and mopping capabilities and extended self-emptying base, others have faced issues with its mapping and connectivity. So there you have it, folks. Both the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus are heavyweights in the world of robot vacuums. Whether you need incredible suction, long-lasting self-emptying bases, smart mapping, or dual vacuuming and mopping capabilities, both have got you covered. It all comes down to your specific needs and, let's be honest, how lazy you want to be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which vacuum you think wins this battle. Until next time, stay smart and keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.